Introducing the 2024 Seat Ateca, PA 2.0, TDI 115 horsepower, SE plus 5-door in sleek grey. This estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with manual transmission, packed with features for ultimate comfort and convenience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The stylish design includes roof rails and privacy glass. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us or visit opelnias.ie for more information on this top-notch ride.